Who's a good one? Who's a good dragon? Who's a good dragon?
It's me. I am the good dragon.
It's you.
Not through like a layer of fluff, a layer of Under Armour, and a layer of cooling vest.
Yeah, I just felt the cooling vest.
Yeah, it's like armour.
Why do you always stand like that? Just have to do it to us.
Why do I always stand like that? Now that is a question deserving of an answer. But I have a question for you.
Okay.
Tragedy, when you lose control and you've got no soul, it's tragedy. I appreciate that's not a question, but it's something to mull upon, isn't it?
I can't compute this, I'm done, bye. I don't understand, I'm confused. Suddenly you look a lot less grumpy,
in the background.
You know what they say about furries who wear shorts or loincloths?
Yes, I do.
I bet everyone says that to you.
Yes, they do.
Yay!
But that is fine by me.
I know, gotta be done, I know.
What are you, you're booping my camera.
I'm booping your camera first.
We have similar fur around your neck. That's very, very similar. Yeah.
Good colour.
Oh no!
No bias.
It is a good colour. Blue furries.
What we need is one with that.
Blue furries are the best.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I agree. Would you try and take a photograph of us with that in the background?
They don't want a picture with us.
I know, right?
Are we not more impressive?
They already did. We've got a picture over there.
Can't believe some people.
Bloody silly floofs. Who's a good one? Who's a good one?
You know, if she were a three-dimensional shape with equal sides, she'd be cube.
Look, I've seen your puns on Twitter. They kill me as it is. Mind you, having said that, a good pun's supposed to just actually make you.
Well, you see, it all stems from the time when I tried to make my friend laugh by basically saying 10 puns at the same time. Unfortunately, no pun intended.
Ha 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 ha. Oh god, that's so funny.
Dog.
I know. Doggy has such a comb here as well.
Dog.
I know it's a dog.
It's a dog.
That suit likes your dog.
Have your picture, go on then, get in on a quick picture. Smile, Heidi, smile. Yeah, good girl. Thank you.
Ready? No. No for the dragon. No for the dragon. If dragons get fat, they can't fly.
I'd take the train anyway.
Yeah, well that's cheating, even for dragons.
Flying is exercise. You should know this. You're a bat.
Yes, I know.
Although, I mean, it must suck being a bat. Every time you go to applaud someone, you take off.
Yes. The problem with minor cars is because whenever you try to show anybody your wings, they go, "Oh, you want a hug?" And you're like, "No, I'm showing you my
Yes.
wings." Have I got all the stuff here? No, I have not.
The sassy American rabbit from the videos that the raccoon does. Oh, is this the queue? Is this the queue for furry art? No, this is the queue for registration at Confuzzle 2019.
I'll be careful.
Not sure. Well, I think he likes it.
Typical police of a donut.
You've got a donut.
Really well.
You're just playing into stereotypes, Dexter. I must remain perfectly still. He told me not to move.
Your camera won't work like that.
Okay, now I can't see shit. Thank you.
I don't do it.
I was thinking like, just struggled to put it off.
Mr. Bork.
Mr. Nom, Mr. Dragon.
Sorry, but I guess you're not Mr. Bork, you're Mr. the Husky.
Bork, bork, bork.
And you, of course, are Mr. the Raccoon. Or is it just Mr. Raccoon?
I think my surname is Raccoon, so just Mr. Raccoon.
My surname is Sea Dragon. That is my surname. My first name is CD. Look at this, look at this. We've got the same fur on the chest. It's like my paw has just disappeared into his chest
made by
fur.
the same person.
Are we the same person?
Lacey, I don't think.
No, God, no. No, I did first since UK.
Ah.
We're obviously not the same person, given the fact that I'm currently filming you.
I don't know. This thing's full of weird fur. Like you've seen the fur on the tail where the black stuff is white underneath. I don't know where they got that.
Greetings, good sir.
I don't mean to alarm anyone, but I think there may be a furry or furries in the area.
Oh
no.
Keep watch.
We must.
We must.
Could it be
You.
It could be any one of us. We must be ever vigilant.
super vigilant?
They could attack any time. Woo! They could have. Who was that?
They just attacked.
Woo!
Oh my.
I'm looting the saber-tooth, and there's nothing you can do to stop me.
Oh.
I don't care if you are the police.
Well, there we go. Say it's my food for you.
Oh shit, am I under arrest? Oh, no.
Yeah, I stole them.
Oh no.
You. Look good. You.
I'm under arrest, guys.
Yeah. Oh, keep him like that. You probably enjoy that a bit too much. I think he enjoys being in bondage too much.
Ow! What are you doing? I don't even know what's going on anymore.
That's not me, by the way.
I didn't know what was going on ages ago, dear. Actually, about 12. Actually,
I mean,
about
it's
12
Jay,
years
isn't it?
ago.
Close, but no.
It was me, I swear. I've lost the glasses now.
Whose glasses are they?
Well, they're orange and blue. He's orange and blue.
I need to get some glasses for CD. They're on his ref as well.
Rave, sister, rave.
Those look pretty good on you, to be fair.
Oh, he's got them now.
Big.
I want to see what I look like with these on. Do you like my glasses?
They look good on you. Yeah.
I got new glasses. You take a picture. I want to see what I look like.
Oh, sure.
They do look good. I like it. I like it a lot.
Probably not.
Have you made any kids cry yet?
One day.
Yes, wings. It's got wings. It must be a bat one. What Is it dragon? It's a yes.
Yeah, see.
And it's got Austin Powers hair.
The name's Dragon. Sea Dragon.
Hello. I'm afraid everyone's going to have to do that to camera now. Ages. Right.
My day is progressively moving an hour along. Yes, hello. Yes, I've got a bald head. My bald head is highly amusing to so many people in the fandom. I don't know why. I'll get CEO one day. One day, CEO, I will get my own back. Horns and frills and scales get tangled up. It's the way.
Dragons have many bits.
Yeah.
know the prince.
Everything. That was there for you.
I just hope it sticks, and if it doesn't, I pretend it doesn't. Yeah? That could work. Nothing special. Nothing else. I just love how it just like does it in your head as well. And then it's massive for everyone.
Are you having fun with your donut?
Biggest head in the world. I've kept you in the
Happy, unhappy, or...
Will do. Still there.
I'm still better than you. Yeah.
That'd be better than Prince.
Yeah, you can.
What's another tour is Royal Links. We're invading the UK again. We're bringing them back.
Yeah, but Smilodons don't exist.
It's Smilodons so good.
In museums, they have whole displays dedicated to them. There's like a whole field of study dedicated to them. What's there for you? Hunters
Hunters
and
because
poachers.
Yeah, but
and
you know
meat.
what we have? Dungeons and
Dags.
the worldwide phenomenon. That's ours.
Indeed. And which we all can appreciate because Dungeons and Dragons is
You know what? I really appreciate how he's got his camera, but it does trigger me that it's off center. Like I could never get mine to mount properly on my harness, and you did it like that. It's
Such
off
a
center.
photography whore.
Yeah, it's because this is actually using two harness bits.
Yeah, I know. I
'Cause
can
we-
see it is, but I never thought to do it that way with mine.
You know, I mean, Windsor's also got one of these, and I borrowed some of his bits to make it further out.
He's my favourite. How you doing?
I'm good at you.
Very good.
I like how the Welsh dragon is just burping fire. One of your pin badges.
Go cool yourself down, bro.
Yeah, you could definitely get the lens set.